So American Airlines reported their earnings late last week, and they reported a unexpected loss, which is why we saw the stock just drop. Now, the other reason why the stock dropped was it was in a weekly sell level, and rightfully so. From the lows of $9 back in August of 2024, prices nearly doubled. Now, here was that level I was referring to. You have a rally in price, a basing candle, and then you have the rally, and then you have the drop out, forming that weekly sell level at $18.50. Now, where's the real liquidity? It's going to be at the extremes. All of this here is just sideways, really price action. The real imbalance is going to be further up north of $22, where you do have another weekly sell level. And that sell level was good for several touches, 1, 2, 3. These touches did not penetrate the zone more than 50%, so you know that this level is still valid. Nevertheless, before we continue with the analysis, let's actually get into the news. So American Airlines has said it expects to post a loss in the current quarter, breaking from a more upbeat stance taken by several of its rivals. The carrier noted that based on present demand trends, the current outlook for fuel prices, excluding the impact of special items, is estimated that it will report a first quarter adjusted loss per diluted share of between 20 and 40 cents. Not sure why the outlook for fuel prices, maybe it's the forecast, but fuel is down. However, along with weaker demand from corporate travelers following a sales strategy overhaul, American Airlines has been grappling with an uptick in jet fuel prices driven by recent sanctions on Russia and hopes for a rebound in top oil importer China. CEO says they continue to run a reliable operation, and we are re-engineering the business to build an even more efficient airline. Like the car industry, airline industry is very, very difficult, very, very capital intensive. These guys are not making a lot of money. Profit margins are razor thin, but we need to travel, right? So there is a need for that industry. Nevertheless, price is bouncing off a weekly sell level at $18.50. Now, you do have some short-term support at about $16.50. Other thing I want to bring to your attention on the weekly chart, look where RSI is at. It's at 80, extremely oversold. So that bounce was inevitable. Taking it down to the daily chart, here's that local support I was referring to. Here's the real level of interest at 1450. That's a daily buy level. Price is above the key 200-day moving average, so price is in a secular bull market. As long as price can continue to respect this upper trend line, prices should move higher. It would have been nice if price would have closed above this level, making this level no longer valid. However, in the coming months, I'm looking for price to continue to move higher. We should get a bounce here, and then the next impulse move higher. Thanks for watching. Subscribe. Please like the video.